Hey everyone, welcome back to Gateway Travels channel. If you're new here, I'm Amber, and today we're going to talk about one of the most important aspects of preparing for a cruise, packing. Now, packing the right stuff can make a huge difference in your cruise experience, and I'm here to hopefully help you figure out what you really need and what you can leave behind. Trust me, mastering the art of packing light can save you a lot of headaches. So before we jump in, make sure to like this video, comment below with your own packing tips, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more awesome travel advice. Okay, let's start with the essentials. First and foremost, you need your passport and travel documents. These are your golden tickets, so keep them in a safe place and easily accessible. I recommend using a travel wallet or a secure pocket in your bag. Don't forget your health and safety items either. This includes your insurance cards, medications, and any necessary prescriptions. If you followed along on any of my previous tips, you know that managing your health on a trip is super important. Cash and credit cards are next. It's wise to have a mix of both. Cruises often operate on a cashless system on board, but you'll need cash for tips and purchases at ports. Speaking of essentials, don't forget your room key card, boarding passes, and itinerary. This is going to be your lifeline once you're on the ship. Now let's talk about clothing. For the daytime, think comfort. Pack comfortable clothes that are perfect for exploring the ship and the ports. I'm talking about shorts, t-shirts, and casual dresses. Now for the evenings, you'll need a bit of variety. Some cruise dining options call for casual wear, while others may require smart casual or even formal attire. So pack a couple of nicer outfits just in case. Don't forget your swimwear. Bathing suit, cover-ups, and flip-flops are a must-have for pool time and beach excursions. Also, be sure to pack some layering pieces, like a light jacket or sweater. Cruise ship interiors can sometimes be chilly, and it can also get cool in the evenings as you're typically on the water. Footwear choices are crucial for comfort. First on the list are comfortable walking shoes. You'll thank me when you're wandering through ports and taking part in onshore excursions. Secondly, you'll need dress shoes for those formal dinners we talked about and any special events you may be partaking in. Simple and versatile options work best in my opinion. Now for poolside relaxation, be sure to pack sandals and flip-flops that can get wet. Finally, consider possibly bringing water shoes. If you plan to participate in water activities or explore rocky beaches, this is going to save your feet. All right, on to toiletries and those personal care items. Let's start with the basics. Obviously, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Remember to pack sunscreen. The sun on deck can be pretty intense, so be sure to always protect your skin. Now, the cruise line is going to give you some of these like shampoo and conditioner in your stateroom, but if you prefer a certain brand or your hair doesn't do well with other brands, it's best to bring your own. Don't forget your makeup and any other grooming items you may need. This could include razors, makeup, and other skincare products. I know I always talk about this, but I really do believe a travel first aid kit is always a good idea. Make sure to include things like Band-Aids, motion sickness medicine, and any pain relievers that you prefer. You never know when you might need them, and when you do, you'll be glad you have them. Next up, we're talking gadgets and entertainment. Your phone is probably the most important item, so don't forget your charger. Use it to stay connected with loved ones or capture all those unforgettable moments on the cruise. A camera is also a good idea for those high-quality photos and videos. Tablets and e-readers are perfect for in-room entertainment and downtime. Just be sure if you don't have the Wi-Fi package that you download shows prior to your sailing. And don't forget a portable charger to keep all your devices powered up no matter where you are on the ship or on shore. Now let's discuss what you can leave behind. Full-size toiletries can take up a lot of space, so save room by packing travel-size versions. When it comes to jewelry, keep it simple. Avoid bringing anything really valuable or sentimental. You don't need multiple outfits for every day. Mix and match your clothes to save space in your luggage. Lastly, leave behind any unnecessary gadgets. Only pack the devices you know that you're actually going to use. To wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered. Smart packing includes bringing essential documents, versatile clothing, practical footwear, and important toiletries and gadgets while leaving behind those bulky, unnecessary items. If you have any of your own packing tips or questions, please take a moment to drop them in the comments below. We would love to hear from you, and we try to comment back on every comment received. Don't forget to hit the subscription button for more helpful travel content from Gateway Travel. As always, thanks for watching and happy cruising!